If you're looking for a good bag to store your breast pump in, check this one out. The outer part is made up of a heavy-duty and water-resistant nylon material and has two main storage sections with leak-proof lining. It's a great bag for moms who need to pump on the go and a discreet place to store your breast pump and accessories if you're pumping at work or want something stylish to pack them into when going on a family vacation. The top can be opened up fully, which makes looking for stored items much easier and is perfect for storing a small cooler bag and snacks. It also works great when storing pouches of pumped milk accompanied with an ice pack directly into the compartment to maximize the usable space. The bottom section provides spacious storage for my Spectra S2 pump and accessories and includes a padded back pocket for holding phones or wallets, a front zipper pocket, two side mesh pockets, and one inner pocket which I like to store paper towels or pump cleaning wipes and a sharpie for recording dates and volumes on the pouches. Another great feature of this bag is that it has two options for wearing. You can carry it handbag style from its sturdy top handles, or wear it as a backpack using the two detachable shoulder straps also attached. In addition to my favorite color purple, it comes in 4 other colors and makes a great baby shower gift for any expecting mother.